Jai Hind everyone, how are you all? So this video is regarding the chapter wise weightage of NDA Maths chapters. I have written the number of questions asked in every paper in last 7 papers, okay, from 2021 to 2024, okay. So we are going to see which chapters should you cover first to maximize your marks in upcoming NDA examination. Okay, let me tell you that which chapter should you cover first. See the first number here. This is matrices and determinants. Okay, 66 questions are asked in last 7 papers. So this is the most important chapter. After that, probability. Okay, 64 questions are asked. Then statistics, 64 questions, and after that trigonometry, okay, 61 questions. At fifth number we have set relations and functions, which cover 59 questions, okay. And after that, at sixth place there is application of derivatives with 43 questions, okay. After that you should cover sequence and series, and after that permutations and combinations. If you cover these 8 chapters only, okay, if you cover only these 8 chapters, then also you will be able to do 50 plus questions, because 64 questions, yes, 64 questions are asked from these 8 chapters only, right? So you can say that it will be sufficient for you to clear the cutoff if you prepare these chapters, okay, only these chapters. And if you want to maximize your marks, then the next chapter which I am going to tell you is, see, we have covered first 8 chapters. You can write these chapters on your copy and you can also take a screenshot of it, okay. So at 9th place we have 2D and straight lines. This is very important chapter. After that, at 10th place we have vectors algebra, and after that we have 3D geometry, okay. Then we have limits, continuity and differentiability, and after that we have complex number. It is also important chapter. And after that quadratic equations, right. And then we have conic sections. After conic sections we have this our which chapter? After conic section we have this definite integrals, okay. So these are the chapters which you should cover after the first 8 chapters, okay. So now come to, okay, the which chapters I have marked with yellow, that you should cover first, okay. After that the green ones you should cover, right. And after that the blue ones if you want to cover, okay. Differentiation is the chapter which you should cover after that. And after that you should cover properties of triangle also. Then you can come to binomial theorem, and after that you can come to indefinite integrals. It is difficult chapter, or there are so many formulas, so you can skip it. and after that we do have inverse trigonometry, and after that height and distance. Okay, and after that we have logarithm also. So how many chapters? 20 chapters we have covered. And the least priority you should give to these chapters. Which are these? The binary numbers, okay, areas bounded by regions, and differential equations. Okay, sorry, differential equation is not in this category. Differential equation will also come in our green line, okay, because there are 25 questions asked. Okay, so now you know which chapter you should cover first and which chapter you should cover after completing those priority wise chapters. Okay, so you can take screenshot of this page and prepare accordingly. And let me tell you that if you cover only the chapters which are marked with yellow highlighter, okay, then also you will clear the cutoff. Okay, there is no any concern, but you should have full confidence in those chapters, right? If you do lose confidence, then you should cover the green ones also. Okay, and if you cover the green ones and the yellow ones, then your selection is means 90% done. Means in maths you will score very well. Okay, that is what I want to say. So this is the thing what I want to tell you, and whatever efforts I will be doing, I will keep doing those, like making PDFs of latest PYQs and all. You can join our Telegram channel Study Cadet, right, to stay updated with us. Okay, so now prepare hard and study hard, keep working hard. Okay, bye bye and study.